Well, it's an early start when the roofers decide to get their act together and all come en masse in the morning, which they did this morning. I haven't gotten much sleep. The spinal seizures have returned for some reason, even though I'm taking the new medication. They told me it'll take a while for it to work. Anyway, the roofers have gotten half of the front of the roof off, and it is quite a sight to see. It feels very, very strange being up here with the roof off. Very strange. Got Stephen over there, obviously cutting up slate, and this is Frederick over here doing bonjour, doing something. Obviously they have to get the dormer windows sorted out, and that poses a challenge for them. It means quite a lot of carpentry work. We've got Anthony and Cedric.
Hello.
And yeah, the whole crew are here. I think I'd best go down and start painting and get out of their way. So for future reference, we'll look back on this video and probably say, wow.